Hello everybody! So here is another few hours work put into the Swing Carousel. I did a lot of work on simplifying the mechanisms, especially in the middle here where I added a differential to do all the work that everything else was doing in there. So that differential took out a lot of the excess weight and especially all the instability that those different mechanisms were causing. I put some posts in to keep this platform elevated when the ride is not in use. As you can see, it's quite stable right now, although it does have a little bit of play, but most of that will disappear as I add the exterior onto it. So let's give Mr. Studs a ride so you can see how it is working now. You can see that platform dropping down because the supports now are being removed from underneath. And here we go! So I figured out my swing design using some fire hoses. We've got the turntable on top spinning in the opposite direction of the lean. And we, as I mentioned, added that differential onto the opposing side so that everything spins in opposite directions. So far it is working fantastic. I've got to add the cladding on the outside column here, and that's going to be spinning as well. So that's the next challenge to tackle. Thanks so much. Hopefully you enjoy this. Stay tuned for the next installment. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.